If you're watching this, you're likely falling into one of two categories. You're either an aspiring developer who wants to land a high-paying six-figure job at a top tech company like Meta, Google, or Uber, or you're an entrepreneur with a vision, a startup idea that you know could be the next big thing if you just had the technical skills to build it the right way. But right now, there's a massive gap between where you are and where you want to be. You've probably spent hours watching YouTube tutorials, you've built simple to-do lists or weather apps, but the moment you try to build something real, something with a custom backend, complex functionality, or scalable architecture, you hit a wall. Maybe you even tried vibe coding and it just didn't work out. You find yourself staring at spaghetti code, your app crashes, it's laggy, it won't function the way you want it to, you have bugs you just can't figure out how to fix. You don't know how to build real software that actually works. Or maybe you're already an experienced developer and you just can't seem to break through to that next level. The truth is, most courses out there only teach you syntax and basics. They teach you how to write code that works for a demo, but breaks in production. They keep you trapped in tutorial hell, and that's where I come in. So my name's Stefan Dallas, I'm the founder of AppStuff, and before I started this platform, I was a senior iOS engineer at Meta. But I wasn't born a coding genius. I'm self-taught, so I know exactly what it feels like to be overwhelmed by the complexity of iOS development. I spent years grinding, figuring out the hard way how to move from messy amateur code to the kind of clean, modular architecture that top tech companies demand. So I took everything I learned over the last 12 years, working in big tech, startups, and building my own apps, and distilled it into AppStuff. I've done the hard part so you don't have to. Instead of scattered tutorials or surface level lessons, AppStuff reflects the standards and decision making required to build real software. Today, over 50,000 developers learn with us, and many of them are getting hired at top tech companies and launching their own profitable startups. At AppStuff, we don't build apps, we build production ready systems. We bridge the gap between learning to code and building a future you truly want. So what actually makes AppStuff different? It's not a single course or a specific product, it's how and what we teach. At AppStuff, we take complex engineering concepts and break them down step by step in a way that's practical, approachable, and grounded in real-world development. We don't ignore theory, we respect it, but we don't stop there. Instead of learning ideas in isolation, you learn them by building. Every concept is introduced in context. Every pattern is applied to a real-world problem. And every lesson answers the question, when would I actually use this in a real app? That's why our curriculum spans the full scope of modern iOS development, Swift and coding fundamentals, SwiftUI and UI kit, AI and machine learning, concurrency and asynchronous programming, basic and advanced networking, unit, UI, and performance testing, and even interview preparation, including system design and data structures and algorithms. As you progress, those ideas come together through real-world applications. So you're not just following steps, you're learning how to think like an engineer. Some of our more advanced builds demonstrate what this looks like at scale, where we build apps like Instagram and Uber from scratch. But the goal isn't to memorize solutions, the goal is to understand why things are built the way they are so you can confidently design your own systems, whether you're building an app, preparing for interviews, or leveling up your career. That's the AppStuff difference. But you don't have to take my word for it. The results speak for themselves. Take Tito Shiro, a former engineer at Apple and Meta. He looked at our code base and said, I've worked with a lot of code bases over the years, and Stefan's immediately stood out. The structure, the clarity, the architecture, it all spoke to me. Stefan's work is among the best I've ever seen. Or Christopher Rora, a senior iOS engineer and Codeco instructor, who said the teacher's ability to explain complex material in an understandable way is truly remarkable. What impressed me the most was the impeccable structure of the courses, which made learning iOS development a breeze. We have students who went from being overwhelmed beginners to fully employed iOS engineers, thanking AppStuff for making their dreams a reality. If you put the work in, there's no reason that can't be you. So a lot of people ask the same question right now. If AI can write code, why should I learn this at all? So here's the truth. AI isn't replacing engineers. Top tech companies are still hiring engineers every single day. AI is replacing people who don't understand what they're building. It can generate code, but it can't design systems for you. It can't make architectural decisions, and it can't tell you when output won't hold up at scale or in production. The developers who thrive in the AI era are the ones who understand how software actually works. It's not a no-code era, it's a no-code era. And that's exactly what we teach here at AppStuff. So here's your path forward. You can continue trying to piece together a career from random, disconnected tutorials, or you can get the blueprint that has already worked for thousands of others. When you become a member of AppStuff, you get instant access to over 1,000 hours of coding lessons, tailored learning paths so you know where to start and where to finish, over 24 expertly designed courses from absolute beginner fundamentals to the Advanced Pro Plus series, and 15 ready-to-use app templates that you can use to kickstart your own business. We offer flexible pricing to meet where you are. You can start with a monthly membership to learn at your own pace. You can grab an annual membership to save big and commit to a year of growth. You can even start for free on our YouTube channel. But those of you who are truly serious, the ones who know this is your career, we offer the lifetime membership. With the lifetime plan, you pay once and you never pay again. But the real value isn't just the savings. Lifetime members get unlimited access to source code and courses for life. You get every future course and update we push. You get the templates that I've used to build apps I've charged clients over $50,000 to build, ready for you to clone, white label, and launch. The tech industry is moving faster than ever. If you aren't learning modern SwiftUI, concurrency, and AI integration, you are falling behind. So don't let another year go by wishing you had the skills to build your app idea or apply for that senior engineering role. Click the button below, browse our catalog, look at the curriculum, and join 50,000 students who are already building their first app. Whether you want to build apps or build your future, App Stuff is your partner in getting there. I'm Stefan Dallas. I'll see you guys inside.